Good morning, good afternoon, good evening students, whenever you are watching this video. So today we will start new chapter of grammar book, that is adjectives. Okay, so let's read what is the definition of adjectives. So adjectives are describing words, okay, which describe other words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Which they describe noun or pronoun. They tell us about the shape, size, color, quality or quantity of a noun or pronoun. An adjective comes before the noun it describes. Sometimes it comes after the verb or the adverb. Okay students, so you know that in a sentence there are one subject and one object. Okay, and something which describes subject or object is called what is adjective. Okay, means add means what? Add means addition, which describes. Suppose I say I was in a city. Okay, but when you say I was in a big city, means you are defining that city. That city is big, so you call big an adjective. Suppose I say he do not work. He he watch he watches TV all the day. He is very lazy. So again you are defining a subject. Okay, subject is what here? Subject is here pronoun he, and you are defining he is lazy. So either you define noun or pronoun. Okay. What they tell us? They tell us about size. Okay, like big, small, like big TV or small TV, or big city, small city, like that. Shape, like round shape, like earth is round. Okay, like that. Color, like he has blue pen. Which type of pen? He has blue pen. Like quality, he is a good student, he is a bad student, like that. Quantity, few, more, lots of, some. So students, like that when we define something, some noun or pronoun, that is called then adjectives. Okay, now let's move to exercise. So students, the first question is, my father never gets angry. He is very much dash dash with us, patient. So her father is very patient. Answer of first will be patient. Okay, next is eat plenty. Okay, means eat lots of fruits and vegetables and you will be healthy. Next is the man beats the animal. Which type of person he is? The person who beats the animals, he is cruel. Okay, polite means he is very nice to other people, and cruels are who are not nice to other people. Then next question is, dogs are very faithful. Okay, faithful means you can trust them. Arif has many new ideas. Someone who has lots of ideas are called creative. Okay, then Arun is very simple. He never shows off. He is very modest. Okay, modest are person who live their life very simple. Okay, who do not show off. Pompous means what? Pompous means showing off, but modest means not showing off. Like Gandhi ji. Okay, Gandhi lived very simple life, so you can call him modest. Everyone likes her. She is very good looking. Students, charming is used for boys. Okay, here we will not use charming because charming is used for boys, and here she is girl, so we will say good looking. Prem has a lot of common sense. He is very sensitive. Okay, sensitive means here someone who understands others feelings. Okay, person who understands others feeling is called sensitive person. Okay, Ajay does not respect anyone. Okay, he is very arrogant. Okay, arrogant means someone who does not respect other people. My grandma loves me a lot. She is very affectionate. And students, mean people means who care only about themselves. Okay, mean means who care only about themselves, and opposite of mean is affectionate, Someone who loves other people are called affectionate, like grandmother. Grandmother her loves her daughter, so she is very affectionate. Okay, I hope you understood. Next question: what kinds of people are they? Choose an adjective from the box. Okay, here we have to again say about the people. Let's first see what we have to choose. Okay, let's first see their meanings. Okay, let's first see the meanings of these words that we have to choose. Students, reserved means person who does not talk very much, like Manmohan Singh. Okay, Manmohan Singh, you know that Manmohan Singh was our prime minister and he does not talk very much. Okay, Modi talks very much, but Manmohan Singh was Manmohan Singh was very reserved person. He did not talk very much. Sociable means, students, people who like to live with other person. Okay, sociable, who like to live with society. Then is rude. Okay, rude means someone who does not behave good with other person. Okay, means it is related to behavior. Okay, someone is not nice to other person. Then reliable means you can trust. Okay, like Reliance. Okay, you can trust Reliance. Like similarly there is reliable. Okay, then sensitive means someone who understands others feelings. Confident means sure. Okay, if you are sure that you will get good marks, means you are what, you are confident. Honest means you can trust that person, honest person. Moody. Okay, someone's mood changes. Okay, in a then next word is ambitious. Ambitious means someone who wants more in life. Someone who wants to achieve big or called ambitious person. Then stingy means conjuice. Okay, conjuice, makhi juice means someone who does not spend much money. So let's fill these words. Let's read first question. You can trust Raja. Okay, he is very, what type of person you will call, you can trust those people, you will call them honest. Okay, students, you will call them honest person, someone you can trust. Arjun is sure he will score good grades. He is very confident. Okay, when you are sure that something will happen. Okay, something will happen, then you are what, you are confident. He won't tell a lie. He is very, he won't tell, he is very honest. Again here also honest is coming. So let's see that, let's fill all the answer. He wants to become rich and famous. He is very ambitious, student. Someone who wants to achieve big in life are called ambitious. Okay, so here answer will be ambitious. Now next, Kavita is nice one moment. Kavita is nice one moment and very nasty, and next moment she is very moody. Okay, you can call her moody. Okay, in one moment she is very nice to other person, but other moment he is very nasty, he is behaving wrong with other. So that type of person will be called moody. My new neighbor does not talk at all. He is very reserved. Okay, so you can call them reserved, those who does not talk, like Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Meena has a lot of friend. She is very sociable. Okay, she wants to love, she likes to live with other people. Those type of people you call sociable. Okay, then he is not kind to people. He is very, you can call them reserved, not sociable, not rude. You can call them rude. Okay, means those who are not nice to other people. Then Anil does not spend a single rupee. He is very stingy. Okay, stingy means person who does not spend much. Then Then students, Neeta easily gets upset by what people say. She is very sensitive. Okay, sensitive person are those person who uh, who are very sensitive. Okay, if you say something bad to them, they will start crying. Okay, and if you praise them, okay, means you say good about them, they will feel very happy. So they are very sensitive. Okay, छोटी छोटी सी बात पे बुरा मान जाते हैं. जो लोग छोटी छोटी सी बात पे बुरा मान जाते हैं, they are called sensitive. So now let's go to next question. Okay students, in question number 3.1 I will explain you question 1 and question 2 will be your homework. So let's do that. First see what we have to feel here. Okay, first we have to feel sour means khatte. Okay, who are very acidic, something which is very acidic, very sour, khatte है ना. Hungry means very hungry, भूखा. War means बहुत गर्मी. ओके, वार मीन्स गर्मी. राइप मीन्स पके हुए. ओके, राइप मीन्स पके हुए. लॉन्ग, यू नो दैट व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ लॉन्ग. हाई मीन्स वेरी हाई. ओके, बहुत ऊंचे जगह में. सो लेट्स डू दैट. इट वॉज अ वेरी which type of day? It was very warm day. Okay, means there was sun was shining that day. Okay, there was no cloudy day. It was very warm day. A fox entered a garden. Okay, a fox entered a garden. He saw a vine, okay, laden with branches of grapes. Which type of grapes? Grapes, those were ripe. Okay, ripe is पके हुए अंगूर उसने देखे. The very sight of them made him feel very hungry. Okay, जैसे ही उसने पके हुए अंगूर देखे, he felt very hungry. Okay students, like suppose you see very tasty things, you feel very hungry. He leaped up at grapes several times. Okay, उसने छलांग लगाया उस ग्रेप को पाने के लिए, but they were too high for him. Okay, लेकिन वो बहुत किस्में थे. They were very high. Okay, you can see that it is in very high place. So after a long time, okay, after a long time means he tried for long time, he decided to give up trying. He went away saying grapes are sour. Okay, when he was not able to catch those grapes, he said those grapes are very sour, and he ran away. Similarly students, some people are like that fox. Okay, some people when they fail, okay, they blame other people. They say that question was very tough, or they say I had problem. Okay, like I was not feeling very good, or something like that. Then someone fell, they blame other people. Say here that fox is blaming that grapes. Okay, here this fox is blaming those grapes. Okay, but he has not ability to catch them. Okay, he has not ability to catch them. He is blaming those grapes. Okay, so students, question 2 is your homework. Fill correct words in blanks, and in YouTube comment what did you learn from this story. Okay, so bye students, see you in next video.